Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to renew your ID online in California. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in the search bar renew ID online in California and then go to this website. Make sure it is dmvwebsite.gov government and then press on it. Now go to the Now choose renew your ID card. Now it will break down the steps for you, and then you can see here you may be able to renew your ID online if you are within 90 days before or 12 months after the expiration date, and do not need to change your address or personal description, and are not applying for a real ID compliant driver license or ID for the first time. So these are the requirements for doing this online. Then press on renew your ID online. Now press on this option and now press on renew ID. Now you need to sign in to my DMV account, your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply create one through this link, create an account, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.